These are the king parrots. Usually you only see a pair, or usually not too many. It's a little difficult to show you. They're coming and going to eat sunflower seeds on the feeder, so there's a couple of Rosellas sitting there at the moment, but there were anything up to 8 king parrots there a few minutes ago. So let me see if I can see a couple more of them. They're sitting up on the veranda rail. Not so easy to take the thing when I'm moving, so because it's still trying to focus, but it's amazing that they've all come in to feed with the sunflower seeds. Not sure if you can see them. I'm trying to take them through the window so that I don't scare them off completely. But yeah, it's amazing to me. The other birds in the background are coming and going, and they're kookaburras and magpie, currawongs, sorry, not currawongs, currawongs. But it looks so funny with them just sitting on the, there's male and females, and they're all just sitting on the veranda, which is really, oh, sorry, it's not very good with I think it's because I'm moving. Trying to let you see, I guess. I guess as soon as the Rosellas finish eating, they'll go back to, yeah, maybe now they'll go and have a little bit more to eat. I'm not sure. How many do we have? There's only 4 there at the minute. If they're going to have their turn and have a little feed as well, so.